Want to talk about your family in English? Let's learn some basic words and phrases. Hey Maya, so do you have a big family or a small one? Tell me about your immediate family.
Hi, Alex. I'd say medium-sized. I have 2 older brothers and 1 younger sister, so 4 kids total.
Wow, that's a good number. And you're the youngest? How does it feel to be the baby of the family?
It's great. Everyone spoils me a little, haha, but I also learned a lot from watching them.
That's the best position. What about your parents? What do they do for a living?
My mom is an artist. She paints beautiful landscapes. My dad is an engineer. They're both very creative in different ways.
That's a cool combination. Do you have any grandparents living nearby? Or are they further away?
Yes, my maternal grandmother lives just a few blocks away. We see her every week for Sunday dinner.
That's so nice. I wish mine lived closer. My grandparents are all in another country.
Aw, that's tough. Do you get to visit them often or mostly connect online?
Once a year, usually. It's always a big reunion. Everyone flies in. What about your aunts and uncles?
I have 2 aunts and 4 uncles, and many, many cousins. Family parties are always huge and loud.
Same here. Cousins are like your first friends, right? Always someone to play with at gatherings.
Totally. Have any nieces or nephews yet? Or are you still the fun uncle or aunt in training?
Actually, my sister just had a baby boy last month. His name is Leo. He's my first nephew. So exciting.
Oh, congratulations. That's wonderful news. Being an uncle is the best. Get ready for lots of cuddles and playtime.
I'm looking forward to it. And you? Any plans for a family of your own someday?
Definitely. My boyfriend and I talk about it. Maybe a dog first, though, to practice. Haha.
Ha. A dog is a great start. We have a cat named Whiskers. She's absolutely part of the family.
Of course. Pets are definitely family members. What's one fun family tradition you have?
Every summer, we go to the same beach house for a week. All the cousins, aunts, uncles, everyone! We play games and swim.
That sounds amazing. We always have a huge Thanksgiving dinner with like 30 people. The food is incredible.
Love that. Those big meals are always so memorable. Do you have any other unique family customs?
Well, every Christmas Eve, we all wear matching pajamas. It's a bit silly, but it's our thing.
That's adorable. I love traditions like that. They really bring everyone closer.
Definitely. It's those shared experiences and inside jokes that make family so special.
Couldn't agree more. Speaking of family, how do you get along with your boyfriend's family, your future in-laws?
Oh, they're wonderful. His parents are so welcoming, and his sister and I have become good friends.
That's fantastic. It's not always easy to blend families, so that's a real blessing.
I know, right? It feels like my family's just growing bigger and bigger, which I love.
It sounds like you have a really supportive and loving network around you.
I really do, and I cherish it. What's one thing you appreciate most about your family?
Their unwavering support. No matter what, they're always there for me, cheering me on.
That's truly priceless. Family is our first team, isn't it?
Absolutely. They've shaped who I am today. I wouldn't trade them for anything.
Me neither. Family is everything, whether it's by blood or by choice.
Now you know some basic words for family. What about your family? Tell us in the comments.